Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all some really nice affordable new makeup products that I got from Amazon. So as you know, Amazon was running some really nice deals and I got them at like 50%, 60% off. And I wanted to try out these for recommendations and reviews because I really want to bring back reviews on my channel. So I want to share with you all a quick haul. It's not a lot of products, pretty limited, and I was on this budget, but yeah, I found some really good deals and you guys can too. So now without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting off with a base product. I had been using continuously the Maybelline's liquid tint. I believe it was a vitamin C tint and it's almost over, and then even my Dermaco foundation because I use that while filming videos. So I thought of trying something new, and this is like a recent launch from Lakme and I got it at a really nice deal on Amazon. This one is the Lakme's Extraordinary Airy Matte Real Mousse. Oh my god, I love the packaging. I got it in the shade 01 Classic Ivory. It's like not really that fair shade as well, but I love this cute aesthetic packaging, and it's exactly like the name suggests. It's an airy matte mousse. Love this one. Okay, gives you a lightweight, coverage. It doesn't really give you a full coverage, but I love how it is. It's so lightweight, just sits on your skin so beautifully. Highly recommend you guys to get this one. I think Lakme has been doing a great job with their launches recently, and this is one of the recent ones. I really want to try out their blushes, the new ones that they've launched, and also lipsticks. Let's see if I get to try them, but this is what I got recently and I do not regret it. It's such a nice product. If you're someone who wants like a lightweight everyday tint mousse, sort of a foundation come like a CC cream, you should go for this one. It's so beautiful. The next thing that I got, I was so amazed by the packaging. It's from Faces Canada, and again this was at like 40% off. This is the Faces Canada Strobe Cream with shea butter and hyaluronic acid. It's in the variant Rose Gold. This one, guys, it's so gorgeous. First of all, I love the packaging. It's so beautiful. It's this iridescent, holographic rose gold packaging. And the product, I mean, you can just use it as a moisturizer itself. This is how it is. It's got a nice nozzle and it's so hydrating, gives you a beautiful glow. You can use it just as it is. Really like this product a lot and would recommend you guys to try this one out. I believe it also has a silver, variant. But honestly, for light skin tones, you should go for the rose gold one. And the packaging is so beautiful. Highly recommend you guys to get your hands on this one. I mean, like, this is top-notch product. Do not regret buying it at all. Of course, it will not last long like Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Filter would or something like that, but this is not a bad one. The thing that I got, so I actually got a couple of things from Faces Canada. I don't know why you always find some really good deals on Faces Canada. So I got this Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer. I have been hooked on to using like a setting spray because trust me, if you go on long working days and if you just wear like even a lipstick or a liner, forget about the base. You really want it to stay throughout the day and want your face to look fresh. Trust me, nothing helps better than a makeup fixer, and I've been like so hooked onto it. I've finished up the NYX one, I've tried the Maybelline one, and I have something to recommend for you all. But this one from Faces Canada is something that you can, get your hands on. This is the Faces Canada's Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer that keeps makeup intact and hydrates and reflects. Now this one is the regular one. I don't think so they have variant. I guess they do have variants in this, but this is the regular one that I got, and I had got it for a really good offer. It's for $6.49, but it's a huge bottle that's going to last you really long. Love this one. It's so nice, hydrating, and just kind of makes your makeup last long and flawless. If you guys have not started using Makeup Fixer, you guys are missing out on a lot. Please get your hands on this one. It's really nice. I honestly prefer this over, the Maybelline one. I'll be doing quickly a recommendation on makeup fixers, which you should buy and which one to not. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, but this is the one that I would recommend, really like this. I got more two things from Faces Canada. First one is this lipstick. This one, my mom wanted it. So this one is the Faces Canada's Ultime Pro HD Intense Matte Lip Wear. I had got like a chocolate shade in this for her, and then I just accidentally got this one, but she still likes it because it's like a deep maroon brownie shade. And this one is in the shade Magnetic 02. this is how it looks. It's like a typical mom color sort of a thing, but you know, I think even y'all can, I mean, even I can think of wearing it. It's a beautiful brownie come peachy tone, really nice. So yeah, these are like creamy matte lipsticks from Faces Canada, really last long. The best part is you don't have to sharpen them. It's like a twistable crayon sort of a thing, so nice. And I have tried a lot of these and would recommend. Like, this is, I don't know why, but I feel like I was really like Faces Canada as a brand, and my mom really likes it, so I got this one for her. And the last one was actually something that I thought, okay, first of all, it was a brown liner, but it turned out to be a black one, because the packaging, okay, this is brown, it's got like a nice weight going on, so I thought ye brown hoga, but I didn't read it carefully, and then I realized that, okay, it's black. I can't return it because I've opened it, but I'll probably just see how to make use of it. It's the Faces Canada's Ultime Pro HD Deep Black One Stroke Kajal. Oh my god, this is so good. First of all, it's a twistable one. I so wish that they had a brown liner in this one, because I loved it from the like top to bottom. It's so beautiful, so intense matte black. If you're someone who's into black kajals and black liners, get your hands on this one. But if not, then you can avoid. But I would highly recommend to get your hands on this kajal. It's so good. Like, I just love it. I wish it was in brown. I do not wear black kajals, I feel like. So I've got like deep hazel eyes, and if I wear black, it just kind of makes me look bad. So I feel like if I wear brown kajals, it just flatters me a lot. And this one is not brown, although I thought it is, but ठीक है. But if you're into black kajal, you need to have this one. Like, it's not going to disappoint you at all. 100% recommend. The last two products are random ones. First of all, I got this at a great offer, and I've realized my mom also likes this. This one is from Sugar Cosmetics. I do not really like anything that easily from Sugar Cosmetics, but this is something that I've recommended so many times on my channel. You guys would have seen in my empties video as well. I'm talking about the Sugar's Contour de Force Face Palette. I actually accidentally got the shade 02. It's supposed to be 01 that suits me, but it's like the most universal blush highlight contour palette. I do not like the highlighter in this that much, but I love the blush and the contour, and I've finished a palette of this. Like, I've hit the pan in all of this three, and you would have seen in my empties video. I have a contour separate which I use regularly, like for my videos, and I really like it. Plus, it's super affordable. So if you're looking for some really affordable face palette, you can get your hands on this one. Really recommend it. It's good, and like, it retails for 700 rupees, but you'll always find it for like 400, 500 on Amazon. So great deal. Lastly, I don't know why I ended up buying this one, but this is the Maybelline's Master Chrome Face Studio Metallic Highlighter. This is like a very nice lightweight everyday highlighter shade. This one is in the variant Molten Gold. I'll just swatch it for you. It's like beautiful for eyeshadow or just like everyday highlight. As you can see, it's very nice, lightweight, and pretty good. It's more like a metallic sort of a highlighter. So yeah, it's good. I'll usually use it more like you know, eyeshadow come highlighter, let's see. But overall, it's a decent product. I mean, it's great if you are someone who's trying to build your vanity. So yeah guys, those were some of the recent makeup purchases that I did from Amazon. Let me know if you guys liked this video and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.